Sports are indispensable part of our society, and due to current globalization and commercialization, it has become a global business. The domain of sport is not only limited to physical sport but has also got its ambit in esports. So it has become very crucial to strike balance between the sports and business governing it. And this is when competition law comes into picture. Competition law helps in promoting fairness, healthy competition, and restricting unfair trade practices. Section 3 and 4 of competition law talks about prohibition of anti-competitive behavior and abuse of dominance, which can be often seen in sports industry. Competition Commission of India is the apex body governing competition law in our country. It is seen over the past years that bodies like BCCI, All India Chess Federation and Athletics Federation of India has been accused of anti-competitive behavior. So let's talk about important case laws in detail. In 2011, Delhi High Court asked Competition Commission of India to check whether All India Chess Federation is involved in any anti-competitive behavior. They were accused of banning players which were playing from the side of Chess Association of India and also threatening to impose year-long ban on players which were not playing on anything authorized by All India Chess Federation. The court held that All India Chess Federation is in contravention with Section 4 of competition law and thus they were accused of it. Another important case law is of Indian Cricket League. Indian Cricket League accused BCCI for abusing their dominant position. There were other allegations too, like they adopted the same format for IPL as that of Indian Cricket League, and they also threatened players to take away the benefits if they played on behalf of Indian Cricket League. BCCI is often seen being abused of their dominant position and their monopoly. The court also imposed a fine of Rs 52.25 crores from BCCI for practicing monopoly. Another important case law is of Athletics Federation of India. In 2015, they were accused of practicing anti-competitive behavior. They were accused of pressurizing the athletes and players for promoting any marathons which were not organized by Athletics Federation of India. The court stated that they used their dominant position but was in not contravention with Section 4 of Competition Act because they still let their players to play within any committees or organization which was not Athletics Federation of India. So one can see how sometimes apex bodies abuse their dominant position over other sports governing bodies. As Competition Commission of India also stated that the bodies regulating and governing the sports should go hand in hand with competition law of the country for better policy framework, which can also create transparency in the field of sports, and less unhealthy competition and abuse of power can stop.